So guys, whatever the group policy is, the group policy having some settings. That's the part is for group policy purpose. But remaining process is always same. Remaining process, the group policy process is always same. Okay. Of course, there is a lot of things about the group policies, but I'm not going to anything about it. Okay. So second group policies, I'm going to create second group policies. This is the first group policy we created. Second, this is desktop wallpaper. For example, just for an example, my organization. So, for example, usually when you leave a desktop to boys, okay, so then what they will do, they'll put something like a Avengers or maybe a Joker kind of stuff, right? So, and if you put leave the desktop for a girls, because I seen in Pune, so in our class, so mostly girls, no, they put a flowers, puppies, or something like that. Okay, so I want to enforce my client desktop must be okay. My client desktop must be my company logo only. Okay, or maybe some quotations. Okay, or some motivation or company related advertisement. The desktop background must be like that. So the policy is belongs to desktop wallpaper policy. It is okay. So how to do it? So first of all, I need a desktop wallpaper, right? So first of all, I need a desktop wallpaper. Either I will download, I will copy kind of stuff. Okay, so I need a desktop wallpaper, which is nothing but a picture. Okay, second, how to share, because it is accessing through network. It is accessing through network. It means how to share it. Okay, you have to share the picture. Okay, you have to share it. Next one is again step for group policies. Creation. Again, create a policy, edit the policy. Next, link the policy, update policy, verify the policy. So everything is good, but edit the policy, creating name. So for creating name is very simple. Like I put a wallpaper. Policy name is wallpaper, and edit means right click on wallpaper. So then I have to search for desktop wallpaper setting. Search for a desktop wallpaper setting. In that one, so give share location of picture. Okay, so this is the only part. Remaining are same only, no differences. Okay. So first one we should do in a server. So what is the first thing we have to do, guys? Tell me. Guys, understand what policy it is. What I'm trying to do is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which picture is better? I'll select this picture, but less colors. But here it is more colors. It is a very less colors. Okay. Domain work group. I'll take this picture. Okay, so instead of doing something, just I copied here. Why it is not pasting? You can take the picture. We got a picture. That's it. So later you can see, guys, compulsory look at the picture size is also important. Size means the rows and column wise is also an important point. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to edit the picture. Because of this magnifier also, it is become slow. Okay, so our desktop current wise, you have to check it. So look at, so when you select everything, the pixel size you have to verify. So it may be bigger than your picture or smaller. It is a 1366 into kind of stuff or a lesser. Okay, we'll try this one. So I want to put this picture on my screen. So first of all, you have to share the picture. Okay, you have to share the picture. I don't have any other drives. So I'm going to create a drive here for you. Folder. Wallpaper. Wallpapers. The folder name is wallpapers. In this one, I am putting it. So I just cut and paste. I don't need to wait. Okay. Go to view. Select this option. So it is a PNG, not JPG. It is PNG. I'm just renaming it. Why? Because of there is a space. Again, here with the space, difficulty is there. Domain work PNG. So domain PNG. Just renaming it. That's it. I'm not doing anything. So guys, this is the picture domain PNG. It is under wallpapers. Now I want to share this wallpapers. How to share it? Guys, fast.
Send it to.
So go to the properties. Select the advanced sharing.
Permissions. Full control change.
Okay. Of course, you can change the permission here instead of everyone. You can give domain users kind of stuff also. Okay. So I'm just giving everyone. Just we need an output, not a security. Okay. Here also, don't give a permission to everyone. You can give a permission to domain users or authenticated users kind of stuff you can give. But what I'm saying is give a permission to everyone. Just we need an output to see. That's it. But in a real time, don't give a permission to everyone. This is our network path, guys. So look at the network path. UNC path or a network path are same. So copy this network path. Okay. Copy the network path and close it. So I shared successful. Okay. Of course, I have some notepad kind of stuff here. I put it here and slash my UNC. So I copied like okay, so just for we need that link like this. So your share name plus your picture name, okay, PNG. Again, group policy management. Now tell me how to create a policy.
Right click new, sir.
Very good.
Policy only.
Any name you can put it. Name won't do anything. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Next. If you look at here, nothing is configured. Nothing is configured under this policy. So in the settings. Next. Created a policy. Next.
Edit.
Edit.
Make a right click and edit.
Right click. Edit. Next. So these policies also under user configuration. Okay. Administrative templates. Okay. All settings. Because I don't want to search here, so just I want to do simple filter options. Go to filter option. Already enable keywords filter is there. So remove it. Here it is. Desktop wallpaper. You know, another use of this desktop wallpaper is policy. User cannot change their desktop again. Once you put a one desktop wallpaper, so they can't change it. So click on all settings, make sure filter is on, desktop wallpaper. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, so this is enable the policy. Desktop wallpaper, enable the policy. In the options, you have to read. So what is this? What is this kind of stuff? How to give? In this help, also you can read what is going on. And you have to give the wallpaper name. It is giving two options, local path and UNC path, but give always a UNC path, means network path like this. So in my notepad already I've written that path. Okay, already and noted that part. If you go to this is my wallpaper, this is my domain.png. Okay, this is the path, share name, paste. Okay, so yeah, make it as a full screen, then only you can see. Apply. Okay. Then policy is enabled. Policy is enabled. Very simple. Go to view, filter options, select this, and put a desktop wallpaper. Change any to exact. Put in a exact mode and click yes. Then click all settings. So make sure it is on. Then you will see desktop wallpaper. Okay. So open the desktop wallpaper. Select enabled. In the wallpaper name, already you have a shade path name is there. So remember this name or note down that name. Already I shared that picture folder share like this. Okay, so advanced sharing, security, everyone permission also given. And I copied this network path and I give the network path and name of the picture here. And I copied completely. I pasted here. Okay, in the options. Then I put a applied and click OK. And policy is done. If you want to do any other settings also, you can do it if you want. Now I completed. I'm closing the editor. I'm closing editor. And this is also not required. Just minimize this one or close that one. Okay, so group policy done. So just a little refresh. You can see here it is. Okay, that's the wallpaper. This is the component I given. So just click on the your policy, go to settings, refresh. So what settings you are given here, correct or wrong also it will show. Okay, edit policy completed. What is the next one?
Link.
Link the policy. So already we have already we tried on one group, right? So like screen is not visible. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you can link to the policy to IT support or any other also like Java also you can link. I link to the Java OU instead of IT support. I link to Java OU. Who is there in a Java OU? Why I go to Java OU? So Banu is there. Okay. So if the policy will apply on a Banu, so we'll see here sub OU only on Java only. I'm applying link existing GPO wallpaper policy. Click OK. Again, I will show you. I want to link policy on a Java. So this Java is a sub OU of development. Okay. So this Java, whenever I link the policy on Java OU uses will affect with that policy. Link existing GPO. Select your group policy. Click OK. Okay, remember guys, Java OU wallpaper policy, IT support, IA restrict policy linked. So finally, just one refresh. So once it is completed, what to do?
GP update.
GP
Sir.
update.
You know, both server and client, that is always a better option. Server side, no problem, but client side. GP update /force. Okay, successfully updated and closed. That is not throwing an error. So simply sign out. Okay, because I created a policy or applied a policy on a user configuration. So sign out and sign in is enough. Not required. Restart. So Banu is there in that policy, right? So I'll go to Banu. So other user. Okay, so I log in. OU. You know, last time one interview, 3 years back interview it is. The interviewer asked, what is AU? Yes. Guys, can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
The wallpaper is like this. So this is, we push the thing. Just one point I want to tell, like I am sign out from Banu and sign in with Swapnil again. I forget. Okay, no problem. It is Mr. Right? Why it has become Miss? So I given wrongly there while I'm giving, so then I changed it. Initials. Yesterday notes I didn't given. Okay. So why this desktop is showing normally? Why not that picture?
This user is not present in the particular group. We cannot add it, no sir. This Banu is only added to that particular group, so everything changes.
Yeah, existing GPU only.
You said correct only, just a little change. Swapnil is not in a Java OU. OU group.
Banu is in Java. That's why he got the change, sir. She got the change.
So Swapnil is not in a Java OU. We apply a policy on a
Only Java group users.
Java OU users only get the policy.
Yes, sir.
Very good. And that is very good. That's your understanding is, that is also very difficult to understand. It's look like easy. Entire practical is look like very easy. When you do it, definitely like, sir, what is this option? Why I'm not getting? Okay. That's good. Very good. You got point is like you apply a policy on a particular OU. Okay. The OU users and groups and computers affect with that policies. Actually, I want to tell DHCP server. Again, it will take another half an hour. Again, it will become 2:30 kind of stuff. So I will give basic things. See, it is showing for a Banu, and we created another policy, right? So that is also that's the I forget the point. Okay, so then go to control panel. Okay, network and internet. Change your home page. It is displaying because of this IE restrict policy is linked to IT support only. IE restrict policy is linked to IT support OU. So Swapnil will affect with this policy, and Banu is not getting that policy. So that is the group policy kind of stuff. Good. So stop recording this one.